Good evening Queensland, also a special welcome to our interstate and overseas visitors. My name is Christopher Whitehurst. I will be presenting the evening breaking weather bulletin for the 13th of September 2017. First we will take a quick look at the satellite image for this evening. A cold front extending from western New South Wales to the Tasman Sea, and a surface trough that extends inland from the northern New South Wales coast. The cold front and the trough are creating two parallel middle-level cloud bands through New South Wales. There are some showers and thunderstorms being produced by these cloud bands. A large area of convective and speckled cloud is producing showers and isolated thunderstorms over Victoria, Tasmania and southern South Australia. The remainder of the country is mostly cloud-free under the influence of a high-pressure ridge. Moving on, let's now take a quick look at South Australia. For South Australia, showers are about the southern agricultural area and reaching over the Mount Lofty ranges and the lower southeast. There is also some small hail in the south as well. The wind will be cool to cold, with fresh to strong south to southwesterly winds tonight. Let's now take a closer look at Victoria. Victoria tonight can expect scattered showers, hail and isolated thunderstorms, contracting to southern and mountain districts later this evening. Snow showers will be about the alpine peaks at first, extending to surrounding ranges and lowering to 600 meters tonight. It will be mostly cloudy tonight with fresh west to southwesterly winds, locally squally in the south, although moderating later this evening. Let's now take a look at Tasmania. Tasmania this evening will see showers about the west, south and central areas, with snowfalls to around 500 meters. Later this evening, the chance of light showers elsewhere clearing this evening. Tasmania is looking at fresh and gusty west to northwesterly winds, strong in the far south late tonight. Moving along to New South Wales. New South Wales this evening will see a shower or two in the west, mainly about the western slopes of the southern and central tablelands. A possible shower reaching southern and central parts of the coast this evening. There is a risk of thunderstorms to the west of the ranges and over the central and northern inland. Snow will fall on the alpine peaks, lowering to 1,000 meters later tonight. It will be fine on the northern coast. The wind for tonight will be north to northwesterly winds in the northeast, with a cooler west to southwesterly change extending through the remainder. Now let's take a look at our home state Queensland. Tonight we're expecting clear conditions over most of the state. There is a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms over the southern and southeastern inland of the state. However, there is a slight to medium chance of showers about the southeast quarter of the state during the early morning hours. There is also a slight chance of light showers about the northeast tropical coast this evening. The wind is expected to be light to moderate southeast to northeasterly winds over the tropics, while moderate to fresh northeast to northwesterly winds are expected over the south. The fire danger for this evening is severe over the northwest and Maranoa and Warrego districts, while the fire danger is very high over the remaining inland districts and the southeast. From 12 a.m. the fire danger is severe for the southeast coast, northwest and Gulf country districts. The fire danger will be very high for much of the remainder of the state, apart from the far southwest and the central and north tropical coasts, which is why we have a fire weather warning for the Gulf country, northwest, Maranoa and Warrego and the southeast coast forecast districts. This was issued at 5:08 p.m. on Wednesday the 13th of September 2017. The weather situation is, we have a vigorous surface trough which currently extends from the northwest and down through the southern interior. There is also a hot and dry air mass which is combining with a fresh to strong and gusty northwest to southwesterly winds over western and southern parts of the state to produce severe fire dangers this afternoon and early this evening. This trough is forecast to move across eastern Queensland during Thursday morning, then off the central and southern coast during the day. The very dry air mass will combine with fresh to strong and gusty southeast to southwesterly winds over northwestern and southeastern parts of the state to produce severe fire dangers. For the rest of Wednesday the 13th of September, there is a severe fire danger in the following forecast districts: the northwest and Maranoa and Warrego. For Thursday the 14th of September, a severe fire danger is forecast for the following forecast districts: the Gulf country, northwest and southeast coast. The Rural Fire Service Queensland advises you to action your bushfire survival plan now, and please monitor the fire and weather situation through your local radio station and Rural Fire Queensland, and their website can be found at www.ruralfire.qld.gov. and or the Bureau of Meteorology, which can be found at www.bom.gov.au. Please dial 000 in an emergency. For information on preparing for bushfires, go to www.ruralfire.qld.gov.au. The next warning will be issued by 5 a.m. Thursday. We also have a marine wind warning, which was issued for Queensland at 6:07 p.m. on Wednesday the 13th of September, for the period until midnight Thursday the 14th of September 2017. Wind warning for Wednesday the 13th of September. A strong wind warning is for the following areas: the Sunshine Coast waters, Moreton Bay and Gold Coast waters. Wind warning for Thursday the 14th of September. A strong wind warning is for the following areas: the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria, Sunshine Coast waters, Moreton Bay, and Gold Coast waters. The next marine wind warning will be issued by 4:45 a.m. Thursday. Please remember to check the latest coastal waters forecast and your local waters forecast for information on wind, wave, and weather conditions for these coastal zones. That now brings us to a close of the Breaking Weather Bulletin. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and we thank you for watching. This is Christopher Whitehurst for QSCHW.